start the construction of class 10. Construction of tangents. You know the tangents? The circle. The tangent is always perpendicular to the radius of the circle. We have learned it in the chapter 11. Circle. We have learned that the tangent is always perpendicular to the radius of the circle. So you should always remember this theorem. And then start the construction 11.2 because 11.1 is deleted from our syllabus now. 11.2. The first is draw the circle of radius 6 cm. Please draw the circle of radius 6 cm. Like this. This is a circle having the radius of 6 cm. Draw the circle having the radius of 6 cm. Don't share anything. Don't share anything. If you don't have your compass, then draw it roughly. These look like something now. Draw the circle of radius 6 cm. Have you drawn? Okay. And then from a point 10 cm away from the center. This is the center of the circle and take any point which is at the distance of 10 cm from the circle. Suppose the O is the center and A is the point which is at a distance of 10 cm from the center of the circle. So take any point 10 cm away from the center of the circle. You don't have the compass, no? Okay. Have you done? Huh? Okay. Now the next is construct the pair of the tangents of the circle and measure the length. If you want to draw the tangent to the circle, first of all draw the perpendicular bisector of this length OA. You know how can you make the perpendicular bisector of a line?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Take a distance more than half of OA and make the arc on both the sides of this length OA. And from the same radius, make another arc from the center A. So if you have any problem in this construction, please tell me. This construction should be in the circle. अगर किसी को नहीं आता मुझे बताओ मैं आपको समझाती हूँ. So it will be like this.
So we take half of
More than half of the length OA. For the perpendicular bisector, we have to take the more than half of the length OA, and from the center O, make the arc on both sides, and same as from the center A, make an arc on both the sides. हाँ? इस OA के आधे से ज़्यादा हो, more than half.
done.
You don't have the geometry box, okay. Anyone have problem? Have you made the perpendicular bisector, Mansi? अंदर सीधी जाएगा. वो पूरी 10 है ना, तो आधा 2 होगा तो 5 होगा. अंदर सीधा जाएगा. हाँ मतलब 5 है ना. हाँ सही है सही. उल्टा से लाइन जो आ रहा है ना, तो इसकी वजह से प्रॉब्लम हो रही है.
मैं अंदर बंदा.
Okay, so suppose this perpendicular bisector meet the line OA at the point let X. This is the point X, at which this perpendicular bisector meet the line segment OA. Okay. Now from this center, taking X as a center and the radius of XO. आपने कंपास लिया, यहाँ पे कंपास का टिप रखो और इसको मेजरमेंट करो कि XO की लेंथ कितनी है and make the circle by the center X.
Done.
Yeah.
जो ये सर्कल है वो ये भी टच करेगा.
हाँ. O पे को टिप. Yes. And draw the circle. Good.
X के बाद क्या करना?
क्या बेटा?
X के बाद क्या करना? X
From the center X of radius XO, make a circle which will passes from the point A also. Yes. Around the circle. Yeah, good. It's good. हाँ उसको 10 देना पड़े तो कंटिन्यू करना है प्रॉब्लम है. इधर ही बना लिया तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर दो. Anyone have problem? Ritika?
सही है.
good. So this is a circle having the center x and having the radius xo. Now the point where the circle meets the previous circle, like this point and this point, join A with these 2 points. Suppose these are P and Q. So join with the using a scale. Join A, P and A, Q. And these are the tangent to the circle. These are the tangent of the circle. Then I will explain why we can say that they are the tangent of the circle. Join these lines.
ये दोनों इक्वल है.
हाँ, इक्वल तो होंगे ही. साथ में ये क्यों टेंजेंट है, ये वेरिफिकेशन भी हम सीखेंगे. हमें पता होना चाहिए, है ना. अभी वेट, इसको थोड़ा सा डार्क मार्क कर दो, है ना. डार्क कर दीजिए A, P and A, Q. These perpendicular you can construct by dotted lines. This perpendicular bisector you can construct by dotted lines. The important line should be dark. And the line which is not so important, you can make it by dotted line. Yeah, that's good. Draw the perpendicular bisector of this line. ऐसे रखो कॉपी और यहाँ से एक बार आप लोग नीचे और नीचे से यहाँ से बोले ना. More than half. More than half. It's less than more than half. Okay. Okay. So now we are going to verify why these lines are called the tangent to the circle. Since we know that the tangents are always perpendicular to the radius of the circle, now join these lines. Since this large circle having the diameter AO, so any one of you know how much is the angle subtended by the diameter of the circle? The angle subtended by the diameter of the circle.
At the center.
And no, not at the center, at the circle.
90.
90. The angle subtended by the diameter of the circle to the circle is always of 90. The diameter subtends the angle of 90 at the circle. So since O is the diameter of the circle and we are saying that these angles should be of 90. Since we know that tangent is perpendicular to the radius of the circle, so these should be the tangent to the circles. So we should know कि tangent है क्यों. ये tangent इसलिए है कि ये diameter है और diameter हमेशा semicircle में जो है 90 का एंगल सबटेंड करता है. तो ये भी एंगल 90 का हो गया, ये भी 90 का हो गया. अगर ये एंगल 90 का तो हमें पता है कि टेंजेंट्स क्या होती है, परपेंडिकुलर होती है. तो प्रूव हो गया कि AP and AQ are the tangent to the circle. Anyone have doubt in this question? No. Okay. So the whole exercise is based on this one only, the construction of tangent to the circle. Second one is,
Steps नहीं लिखने.
okay, write down the steps of the construction. Who is going to tell me what are the steps of the construction? One by one. First, Nishant.
Draw a circle of radius.
Okay. First one, draw the circle of radius 6 cm. Please write down the steps of the construction. Draw the circle of radius 6 cm. The steps are really so easy, which we are doing in the notebook or in the board. We can write it like in language. So these are the steps of construction. Okay. The second point, Daisy.
Draw a suspended line.
Take a point A at a distance of 10 cm from the center of the circle. Sit down, Daisy. Second point, take a point A at a distance of 10 cm from the center of the circle. O. Take a point A at a distance of 10 cm from the center O of the circle. Rajat, what is that?
Put the compass. Take the half of more than half of 10 centimeter and make an arc.
on both the side of OA. You don't have to write all the language of this, how we to construct the perpendicular bisector. Only write down, draw the perpendicular bisector of OA. Okay? So write down it. Draw the perpendicular bisector of OA which intersect OA at X. Draw the perpendicular bisector of OA which intersect OA at X. Next step, Vaibhav.
From point X,
Yeah.
make a circle which passes through O and A.
From the center X, make a circle of radius OA. From the center X, make a circle of radius OX. Okay, from the center X, make a circle of radius OX. Which intersect the circle at the point P and Q. Which intersect the circle at the point P and Q. Answer, next step.
Join OP and OQ.
Yeah. Join AP and AQ. Sit down. Join AP and AQ. So AP and AQ are the tangent to the circle. Second construction, I think I should explain only those constructions which are different from the others. Like the second is really easy. I have to explain only fourth one. You will do all the exercise in your homework. If you have any problem in any question, you can ask me tomorrow. So I am going to explain the fourth question of this exercise. Question number 4 is, draw the pair of the tangent to the circle that is 5 cm which is inclined at each other at an angle of 60. So this is a rough figure. This is a circle having the radius of 5 cm and we have to make the tangent which are inclined at an angle of 60. So the angle between the tangent is of 60. This angle should be of 60. And you know the radius of the circle is of 5 cm. Anyone would like to try how can we do this question?
Distance नहीं दे कितनी दूर?
No. Only the angle between the tangent is 60. Let us get it.
मैं कुछ भी ले सकते हैं?
Means आप कुछ भी नहीं ले सकते वरना फिर एंगल 60 का क्यों बनेगा? फिर आइडिया लगा आप लोगों ने टेंजेंट चैप्टर करा हुआ है ना, सर्कल चैप्टर 10 चैप्टर किया है ना, तो अगर आपको चैप्टर क्लियर है तो आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होना चाहिए कैसे बना सकते हैं इसे. Okay, doesn't matter. First of all, draw the circle of radius 5 cm. Draw your notebook. Draw the circle of radius 5 cm. Yes, beta.
Just to 90.
हाँ हाँ फिर कंस्ट्रक्शन कैसे करेंगे?
यहाँ पे करा देते हैं
Okay. Have you drawn the circle of radius 6 cm? Sorry, 5 cm. Huh? Now we know that this angle is of 60. And what are these two angles? Ashish, what are these two angles? 90, 90, each 90 because tangent is perpendicular to the radius of the circle. So can we find this angle also?
Yes.
It will be of 120 by angles of property of quadrilateral. Since we know that the sum of all the angles is of 360, so we can easily find the value of this angle. It is of 120. Now we know that the angle at the center is of 120. Daisy, look at it. This angle is of 120. So what will you do? Draw any radius in a notebook. Draw any radius.
फिर उससे भी तो
Dotted नहीं, exact. Lines में. Now make the angle of 120 here with by using the compass. Don't use the D. Okay? You are a class 10th students. By using the compass, you can make the angle of 120 like this. So take any radius and make the angle at the center of 120.
120.
Yes.
Okay.
By using compass, make the angle of 120 at the center. रफली लिख लो बेटा, रफली बना लो, कैसे बनाना है ना, फिर जाके याद रहेगा आपको।
Done.
Done?
Uh,
Why are you not using your compass? You don't know how to make the angle of 120. Answer?
130.
This is not the center of this 5 centimeter. Is it 5 centimeter? No, this 3.5 centimeter. Please take the circle of this 5 centimeter.
ऐसे ही काट इतनी डिस्टेंस
अभी इसको क्या करना है? ऐसे करके सर्कल
60.
It is 5 centimeter है? हाँ, यहाँ से center center है ये लोग।
डी ये चेक करो
हाँ ये
This is the center. From this center. नहीं आता। So now you have made the angle of 120 at the center of the circle. From this point, make an angle of 90 here because we know that tangent is perpendicular to the radius of the circle. From this point, make the angles of 90 by using the compass, like this. And again, from this point, make an angle of 90 by using the compass, like this.
यस मैम डन
So make both the angles is of 90. हाँ कोई दिक्कत नहीं है,
मिल गया
प्रॉपर से इसको देख लो। इसको पॉज करना है, बच्चे पॉज करना। Okay, now you can prove that this angle is of 60 because this angle is at, look at here, this angle is of 120 and this one is of 90. Again this one is of 90, so what should be this angle? By angles of property of quadrilateral we can find it, it will be 60. Continue. So okay, now the step of construction, I think you write yourself.
Yes sir.
Step of construction you can write yourself. This is the question. 6 is a really interesting, lengthy question. 6? Would you like to do the question number 6? Okay. Draw the question number 6. For question 6, first we have to construct the triangle having the side 6, 8 and B angle is of 90. For every construction, we should always make a rough figure so that it becomes easy for us to construct the to do the construction. This is a right angle triangle, right angle at B. Angle B is of 90 and AB 6 centimeter and BC is of 8 centimeter. So first we have to draw the construction of a triangle having the side of 8 and the AB 6 centimeter. So first of all, draw the BC of length 8 centimeter. By using a scale and pencil, draw the line BC of 8 centimeter. This is the next construction. Have you drawn line BC of 8 centimeter?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. From the point B, make an angle of 90 by using your compass. Make an angle of 90 at the point B. In the last one. At the point B, make an angle of 90. This is last construction. So at the point B, make an angle of 90. Now from B as a center, make an arc of radius 6 centimeter. Since we know that the length of AB is 6 centimeter, so from the center B, make an arc of length of radius 6 centimeter. and this is the point A. From the center B, make an arc of radius 6 cm which intersect the line BX at A. Now join AC. Join AC. So this is a triangle ABC.
But please,
No. Where is the circle? Where is the tangent? BD is perpendicular from the point P on AC. Any one of you can tell me how can we draw the perpendicular from this point B on AC? You have studied in class 6 or 7. From this point B, you have to draw the perpendicular to the point AC. How can you draw the perpendicular to the line AC from the point B?
90 का half 60.
60 degree.
How can you make the angle of 90 here?
60.
Huh?
90 और 60.
90 और 60 का क्या मतलब बच्चा?
60
यहाँ से आप बात नहीं समझ रहे हो, पहले आराम से सुनो। आपको इस पॉइंट से यहाँ परपेंडिकुलर डालना है ऐसे। अब मुझे बताओ कैसे डाल सकते हैं? वैभव।
हम बीसी वाली लाइन है,
हाँ।
उससे एक आर्क मारना होता है।
मैम
बीसी वाली लाइन पे जो पॉइंट है ना,
कौन सा?
वो वाला
बी।
जो नाम भी दे रखा है।
ये।
हाँ,
हाँ।
इससे पॉइंट
नहीं।
मैम
The method to draw the construction, to draw the perpendicular from the given point. This is a line, and if you want to draw the perpendicular from this point, what is the actual method of construction? Sudhanshu.
मैम
Shantanu, okay.
we have drawn on
In this figure. First of all, explain me in this figure. How can we draw the perpendicular from this point on this line AB? On this line.
अच्छा, दोनों साइड
अब आप सोचो कंस्ट्रक्शन क्या है? हमारे को यही तो करना है कि एक पॉइंट से लाइन पे परपेंडिकुलर डालना है। पहले ये पता होगा तो ये तो अपना भी कर लेंगे हम। क्यों सर?
अच्छा, उस साइड से मार।
इधर बताओ, उसे छोड़ दो। How can we draw the perpendicular from the given point to the line?
उसकी मिड पॉइंट पे
How can you change कि मिड पॉइंट से बनाएंगे तो परपेंडिकुलर होगा?
मैम जो एज है उसके पास
मैम हाफ कर
What do you mean by edge? Edge तो ये नहीं ले।
मैम
एसी का मैम बेस का हाफ कर देगा।
बच्चा हाफ अगर मैं कह रही हूँ पॉइंट चलो यहाँ ना होगी यहाँ हो, लो ये रहा हाफ। अब क्या करें? नहीं, तो परपेंडिकुलर होगा। परपेंडिकुलर होगा वो? नहीं ना? बोलो आपको नहीं आ रहा, sit down. For draw the construction from the given point to the line segment, the method is first we draw an arc from this point like this. So for this figure, we will draw the arc from the point B on this AC like this. Okay? So first of all, draw it. Which intersect AC at
मेजरमेंट कुछ नहीं
any measurement. With any measurement more than this length. इससे ज्यादा कितना भी मेजरमेंट लेके आप एक आर्क लगा दो सर। Yeah, like this. So intersection point you can take like M or N. Okay. Now from this point, from the point M and N, make the arc having the radius more than half of this length mm. mn के आधे से ज्यादा का लेंथ लेके आपको एक बार m से इधर आर्क लगाना है और एक बार सेम रेडियस से n से इधर आर्क लगाना है। अगर मैं इस फिगर में बात करूं तो इस फिगर में यहाँ से भी इधर आर्क लगा दिया मोर देन हाफ और यहाँ से भी, ये होता है परपेंडिकुलर।
यस मैम
नो बाई चेक कर देंगे।
So join this one. This is the BD.
अच्छा ये होगा नहीं
This should be as of 19.
किया ही नहीं आज तक
Class 6 7 में किया था हम लोग ने।
हम ऐसे ठीक कर सकते हैं।
So this is the BD which is perpendicular on the length AC. The circle through the point B, C and D is drawn. Now you have to draw the circle from these three given points, that is B, C and D. So how can you draw the circle from these three given points?
मैम वो स्किन पॉइंट को टच होना चाहिए
हाँ,
बीसी को सेंटर पे
BC को सेंटर
नहीं
लेके
सर
आना।
बीसी को सेंटर पर देखो
बी को सेंटर लेके आप सर्कल बनाओगे तो बी सी डी तीनों से ऊपर जाएगा।
मैम
हम
BD का
लोग
है।
परपेंडिकुलर से ड्रॉ कर दिया।
मैम BC का हाफ लेके
एक जगह पर। हाँ सुधांशु
अगर हम
शांत
डी से डी पे कंपास रखे और सी से वो लेके जाए ना,
डी पे कंपास रखे और सी से लेके जाओ। तो बेटा जी वो डी से कंपास रखोगे तो डी से ऊपर कैसे जाएगा? द सर्कल शुड बी पासेस थ्रू द पॉइंट बी डी एंड सी।
मैम BC का हाफ लेके
BC का half लेके, okay. If you making the perpendicular bisector of this line segment and you will get a point here, and if you draw the circle by this, okay, it will passes from the point D. But how can you say that it will passes from the point D? अब बिल्कुल सही बताया, ऐसा होगा इसमें, लेकिन क्यों होगा ये बता दो बस मुझे। आपको पता होना चाहिए, हर चीज का कॉन्सेप्ट हमेशा क्लियर होना चाहिए कि जो कर रहे हो ये क्यों और कैसे हो रहा है। ऐसा ही है लेकिन क्यों है? अगर आप इसका मिड पॉइंट देखिए, अच्छा आप लोगों को ये नहीं आता कि 3 गिवन पॉइंट सर्कल कैसे ड्रॉ करते हैं?
नो मैम।
क्लास 9 में ये भी नहीं सीखा। If you want to draw the circle by given 3 given points, first of all, what should we have? What should we do? We have to draw the perpendicular bisector of these two lines. The point at which these perpendicular bisector meet is the center of the circle, which will passes through the 3 given points. So this is the construction of class 9. Now we are in class 10. So we should know how can we draw the construction by taking three points. Okay, you are absolutely right, but I have to explain why it will passes from this point. Since we know that if we are taking the perpendicular bisector of this line segment and we are taking the M, the midpoint of this line segment, and draw the circle here, why this circle will passes from this point B? Since this BC is the diameter of this circle, we are taking the M is the midpoint of this line segment, so BC is the diameter of the circle, and we know that the angle on a semicircle is of 90. So since the angle on a semicircle is of 90, so it will passes from this point. But this is not the correct method to draw the circle by giving 3 points. This is the method to draw the circle by giving 3 points. But for particular this question, says this angle is of 90, so you can take the midpoint of this line segment BC, and by this midpoint you can draw the circle. समझ में आ रहा है? अगर 3 पॉइंट से कभी सर्कल ड्रॉ करना तो उसका मेथड ये नहीं है, मेथड ये है एक्चुअल मेथड। लेकिन यहाँ पे आप इसको ऐसे इसलिए बना सकते हो क्योंकि आपको पता है सेमी सर्कल का एंगल 90 होता है और ये एंगल 90 का दिया हुआ है, इसलिए अगर आप मिड पॉइंट इसको लेके बना भी दोगे तो ये बी पॉइंट से होकर जाएगा ही। सबको समझ में आ रहा है ना? ये कोई सही मेथड नहीं है, मेथड वो होता है सही, पर यहाँ पे ये पॉसिबल है क्योंकि ये एंगल 90 का है। So please draw the perpendicular bisector of BC. Please make it dotted. क्या बेटा? अगर 90 का नहीं होता तो ये आपको अप्लाई करना पड़ता। अगर 90 का नहीं होता तो ये मेथड अप्लाई करो।
जब भी 90 का हो तो ऐसे
सर 90 का हो तो आप ऐसा कर सकते हो कि तीनों पॉइंट से तभी ऊपर जाएगा। So please make a perpendicular bisector of BC and make it by dotted line. Dotted है ना? Dotted बनाना क्योंकि बहुत सारी लाइनें जाती हैं इस क्वेश्चन में। Sit down. Make the perpendicular bisector of this line segment BC. Suppose it intersect BC at L. Perpendicular bisector of BC.
दो तत्व बनाना है दो साइड से।
B और C से। Perpendicular bisector BC को बना देना तो B और C दोनों से बनेगा।
बस इसी का करना और दूसरी लाइन का नहीं।
नहीं, वो इसलिए कि वो एंगल 90 का है ना, इसलिए बना सकता है इस तरह से। Draw the perpendicular bisector of BC. And suppose this perpendicular bisector intersect the BC at L.
मैम दो एम हो गए।
दो बना देगा, ठीक है, इसको कुछ और काम कर दो। P, yes, P. So taking this point like P. Have you all made the perpendicular bisector of BC? Now from this center P and having the radius of BP, draw the circle. अब आपने P को सेंटर लेना है और इस रेडियस के बराबर एक सर्कल ड्रॉ कीजिए और इट विल पासेस फ्रॉम द पॉइंट P। टेंजेंट अभी अभी वो बताएगा तब बनाएंगे।
कौन बताया?
क्वेश्चन
टेंजेंट बना दिया पर पता नहीं लगा कहाँ से बना है।
Now construct the tangent from the point A on this to this circle. Now you have to make the tangent from the A to this circle. जो आपने अभी सर्कल बनाया है उस पे आपको टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करना है और टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करने का मेथड वही सेम है जो हमने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में पढ़ा था
Yes, ma'am.
कि draw the perpendicular bisector of the line segment and draw the circle by using this line segment and then join the points. So this is a lengthy method.
टेंजेंट का ये भी पता चाहिए।
टेंजेंट ए से बनानी है सर्कल के ऊपर। तो एक तो मेथड वही है जो हमने पढ़ा था वो बिल्कुल सही है, आप वो अप्लाई कर सकते हो। अदरवाइज फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन सिंस वी नो दैट टेंजेंट इज ऑलवेज परपेंडिकुलर टू द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल
Yes, ma'am.
and this line AB is perpendicular to the radius of the circle.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it? है ना? इस रेडियस का परपेंडिकुलर है कि नहीं है? So it means this AB should be the tangent of the circle.
Yes, ma'am.
If AB is perpendicular to this line segment to this radius, then this should be the tangent of the circle. Now we know that tangents are always equal in length. So we can measure the length, this length by using the compass. आप यहाँ पे टिप रखो उसकी compass की and then measure this length AB and of equal length make the arc on this circle. Suppose this is the point Q and join OQ, AQ sorry. So these are the tangent to the circle. AB तो ऑलरेडी टेंजेंट होगी हमने दिखा दिया टेंजेंट की AB के बराबर कट लगा दिया तो ये टेंजेंट होगी एक
बस